let's switch gears a little bit. There's a really interesting but kind of head-scratching story you guys have in the newsletter today, talking about the Al-Qaeda-linked terror group Al-Shabaab.
Yeah, I love this story.
They're a young terrorist organization,
relatively,
and known for horrible things.
Yeah.
And they're not a fan of plastic bags.
Yeah, so here's the deal. So Al-Shabaab is a Somalia-based terrorist group in East Africa, and they basically lost a battle for control of the capital, Mogadishu, in 2011. They got kicked out, but they're still in the countryside.
Yes.
They still control territory, and their specialties are murder, rape, and the kidnapping of children. It's what they do. Last Tuesday was apparently, I did not know this until I read this online, it was plastic bag-free day around the world.
Okay, something you'd expect to hear on the coast here in the U.S.
Absolutely. And apparently, a local member of Al-Shabaab, a local leader, got on their radio station, because they have their own radio station, and announced that Al-Shabaab condemns the use of plastic bags because, I think the exact quote is, because it is a serious threat to humans and animals alike.
Wow.
Now, how they're going to enforce the plastic bag ban, maybe they will, kidnap your children and cut your head off.
I don't know.
But yeah, serious threat from plastic bags, and Al-Shabaab is taking that very seriously.
There's a little bit of millennials in Al-Shabaab.
It's a reminder that some of these larger terrorist groups that are trying to control territory are not just committing murder. They're actually building bureaucracies because they need to administer the places that they run. My friend Gabe Lipton, who I write with on Signal, reminded me this morning that ISIS set up a DMV. In Iraq and Syria, where you go down and get your ISIS and give you a driver's license.
All IDs.
So if they're not killing you, literally killing you, then they're killing you with bureaucracy. And this is another, this plastic bag thing. We'll see how long it lasts.